Joshua 7. Sin in the camp. The people of Israel broke faith in regard to the devoted things. For Achan the son of Carmi, son of Zabdi, son of Zerah, of the tribe of Judah, took some of the devoted things. And the anger of the Lord burned against the people of Israel. Joshua sent men from Jericho to Ai, which is near Bethaven, east of Bethel, and said to them, "Go up and spy out the land." They returned and told Joshua, "Do not have all the people go up, but let about 2,000 or 3,000 go up and attack Ai. Do not make the whole people toil there, for they are few." So about 3,000 men went up, but they fled before the men of Ai. The men of Ai killed about 36 of them, and chased them from before the gate as far as Shebarim. The hearts of the people melted and became as water. Joshua tore his clothes and fell to the earth on his face before the ark of the Lord until the evening. Joshua cried out, "Alas, O Lord God, why have you brought this people over the Jordan at all to give us into the hands of the Amorites, to destroy us?" The Lord said to Joshua, "Get up. Why have you fallen on your face? Israel has sinned." The Lord told Joshua that someone had taken what was devoted to destruction. Joshua gathered the tribes, and the lot fell on the tribe of Judah. The clan of the Zerahites was taken. Then the household of Zabdi, and finally Achan was taken. Joshua said to Achan, "My son, give glory to the Lord God of Israel and give praise to him. Tell me now what you have done." Achan confessed that he had taken a beautiful cloak from Shinar, 200 shekels of silver, and a bar of gold. They took Achan and all that he had, and brought him to the valley of Achor. They stoned him with stones and burned them with fire. Then the Lord turned from his burning anger. So the name of that place was called the Valley of Achor to this day. Next comes Joshua 8, where God restores Israel and gives them victory over Ai.